Hey guys, Chris again, ClassicVWBugs.com, and here is a 1964 Build-A-BuG project that we're working on for a guy named Steve. And this is what you do when you take your body off your chassis. We got everything down to metal. Car was media blasted, and this is the final finesse, so to speak, after all the heavy metal of welding that we did. This car has a new apron here in the front. Had some patchwork in here. Had brand new heater channels put in. Right here, we got these from Wolfsburg West. So they have the squared off section here. Now, that's basically from, later Beetles that started putting the heat vent on this section. So again, it's not year specific. So that's why they kind of do this. It's stamped there for that kind of a heat channel, but the heater outlet is in the correct spot for this year. And this is what kind of work we do. Everything down to metal, even the areas you don't see get work done on it. So this thing was completely blasted down to bare metal, and it's the kind of work you want done if you want a really picture perfect Beetle, a museum-esque style Beetle. Even go inside the wheel well areas here. Everything gets smoothed out, and everything looks pretty nice here so far. And here's the back engine compartment. Brand new apron we put on. Now, a lot of times with these aftermarket rear aprons, again, not year specific, you will have to purchase this catch here for the 64 and earlier Bugs. When you buy this apron, they're going to have two bolt holes here to put on that latch that's separate for the 65 and later Beetle. But so you have to get that piece to weld on. Make sure you keep your old apron so your body guys can make the correct measurements. So yeah, pretty cool. We have the chassis back at our shop, so we're working on that while the body is out at the paint shop. So this is ideally the way you want to do it. I like to just give the body to my painters, give them every piece of sheet metal that they need to fix this car, whether I go overseas with restorationpanels.com or wolfparts.com. This is what I like to do. And if they have any questions, I'm just a 2-minute drive away. I can hop over here and make sure that they are doing everything correctly. And they could also come to my shop to reference other Beetles as well. So, if you want work done through us, this is the kind of stuff we do. And you've seen the way our cars turn out. If you haven't seen the way our cars turn out, please head over to ClassicVWBugs.com and you will see that's the kind of stuff we do. So we got some good body and fender guys in the areas. I'm only 2 minutes away from this shop. He does excellent work. This guy painted my last 1954 Beetle convertible. You can take a look at that on my website too. The car came out stellar, and so will this. And so that's it. Starting off, first video of the year, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. But this is the way we do our Beetles with a body off restoration, and it's the ideal way to do it. We don't cut corners, and I try not to, I like to do it one way and do it right, and so you don't have to go back and do it again. So, all right, guys, Chris from ClassicVWBugs.com, and if you guys got any questions, just hit me up. All right, take care.